In today's video, I'm going to teach you check product status and availability. I'll walk you through the exact places in Shopify to confirm a product is visible, how to verify it appears in collections, and what to check if it still doesn't show up on your storefront. The goal is to make this fast and repeatable so you can get your products live without guessing. Start by confirming the product status. In your Shopify admin, open the Products area and find the item you're troubleshooting. The status field should read Active. If it says Draft, open the product and use the Status dropdown to change it to Active. This simple switch is often the reason a product is missing from the store. While you're here, scan for any other publishing indicators that might prevent visibility. Next, check Sales Channels. On the product page, there is a section labeled Sales Channels and Apps. Make sure your online store option is checked. If it's not, click Manage and enable it. This ensures the product is assigned to the storefront itself, rather than only to other channels like marketplaces or POS. Within that same Sales Channels area, confirm market assignments. Click Manage and look for the markets where the product should be published. If a product isn't published to the correct market, customers in that region won't see it. Make sure the appropriate markets are selected and saved. Now verify collection settings. For manual collections, go to the collection and choose Edit. Confirm the product is manually listed in that collection. Manual collections require explicit inclusion, so a missing entry means it won't appear. For automated collections, review the Conditions section. If the product is absent, check whether it actually meets every condition, such as having the right tag, type, or vendor. If the rules are too strict, consider switching from all conditions to any condition or loosening the criteria so eligible products are included. A useful trick is toggling conditions off and on and saving the collection again, which can force Shopify to reevaluate membership. Finally, troubleshoot theme and cache issues. Open your theme customizer and inspect the product grid or collection page settings to ensure that product listings are not hidden. Some themes include visibility toggles that can accidentally hide product grids. Also be aware that third-party apps can interfere with product display. If you recently installed an app and visibility issues began afterward, temporarily disable those apps one at a time to identify the culprit. Follow these checks in order, and you'll quickly isolate the reason a product isn't appearing. With these steps, you'll be able to confirm status, channels, collection rules, and theme interactions so your products show up for customers.